There's nothing special about the Beko microwave drawer, and that may be a good thing. In this video, you'll learn about Beko and all of the microwave drawers, including reliability. People have reported all sorts of problems with drawers, so we'll address that specifically in this video. As a bonus, you'll even learn how to buy a microwave drawer for almost free. That's a lot to absorb, so let's begin. First, all microwave drawers are produced by the same manufacturer. Sharp produces every microwave drawer, whether it's Beko, Bosch, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, or Thermador. Drawers are available in two sizes, 30-inch and the more common 24-inch. The interior capacity is similar. Sharp does have a few interesting models they market on their own. They have their $24.99 microwave convection with the ability to combine microwave and convection to save half the time with a better texture of food. Their Smart Wave allows you to wave and open the drawer along with the unit responding to Alexa at $18.99. However, the majority of drawers are sold as simple microwaves. Ability to mount the microwave flush is the most popular features, especially in higher-end kitchens. Beko can be flush mounted. It's also relatively inexpensive at $13.29. KitchenAid for an identical unit is over $1,700. Beko also has a 5-year warranty, and they were smart enough to design it with no logos or trim that may clash with a dishwasher or any other under-cabinet appliance. You may not have heard of Beko as a brand. They're a Turkish-based company and extremely popular in Europe and sold in 140 countries worldwide. They also market under the name Blomberg in the US. In this case, however, it's the same as the others, a Sharp microwave with another name. Drawers are safe with less than 4% repair in the first year, based on our internal service stats, easily one of the lowest for appliances that average about 9.97% as a group. Before I finish this video, you should also know how to buy a drawer for almost free. Jenn-Air and Thermador have rebate deals of $13.99 when you buy other qualifying products like a Pro range. You can apply that to the cost of the normally more expensive drawer for a final price of $300 to $400, way less expensive than a Beko, Sharp, or any other brand. However, for the features you use at an affordable price with the best warranty, you should definitely consider the Beko microwave drawer. Click this link for access to our Appliance Buyer's Guide with over 900,000 downloads.